Hi again, this is Mutia Taiwo, aka Tete. So today I'm just going to be showing you some of those creative stuff I did while we were locked down. I myself am doing a whole lot of stuff, but these I'm preparing for summer. So I will also share the link of, because I'm also doing giveaways on this video, so you will have to stay tuned till the end. I'm gonna leave the description below on how to enter the giveaway, so stay tuned. So let's start. You will be thinking about why they don't cap. It's because I want to try the wigs I made. I made a whole lot of wigs, 3 crochet wigs. Yeah, I did. I looked them up. I'm also gonna leave that in the description. If you want the tutorial, probably I'll do it, but your girl don't always have a patience for that. I have patience for some things, but not all. So let's get into the first wig, which is this one. It's the, the goddess. Yes, I'm gonna show you that exact wig. It's a it's crochet. Yes, it's a crochet. And then this is it. I used, I think I overdid it. I used 4-pack. If you want to do it, probably let me know. If you want to do it, suggest, comment below on if I did too much, and if you're the one who wants to do it, how many would you have used? Because I think I'll use way too much of this. So yeah. So this is the wig. I feel it's too full, but yeah, but I still like it, and I'm gonna be rocking it in summer. No matter what, I'm gonna be rocking this wig. Crochet wig are not supposed to be too like cover up. You just have to style it to your taste. So yeah, I did this, and I'm also doing another one, which is the 4th one. I did 3 right now, but yeah, so I always like to put my hair this way. Yeah, this is me. Yeah, that's it. Picture please. That's it. That's my summer one. So let's move on to the next one, which is also another crochet. That's all I want to do. I know that's the simplest one, I think. I mean, all the crochets are simple. These are just the 3 I did. I'm also making some other ones. We're home moms. Shout out to all moms. Enter the giveaways, student, enter the giveaways. I'm also going to include the kids to make it. Awesome, right? So let's get into the next one. Okay. Feels good without a wig. So let's get into the second one, which is this. Another crochet. Another crochet. And this is, inside is kind of rough, but nobody's looking inside, or else you want to yank it out and start a fight, but nobody's fighting. It's 2020. You shouldn't be fighting. You should be making money, right? So I'm gonna show you it's a natural rasta. It's called natural rasta. This is rasta, like a dread. So let's do this one too. Let's see how this looks on me too. Like I said, this is not perfect. I'm not a stylist. I don't do this for a living. I make my own hair. I've done people's hair in the past when I was starting out, before I started business. So this is the second one. Why I really like this also is because of the texture, and the wave is different from the other one. It's more like, because it's slimmer. Yes. Yeah, so this is the second one. I always like to push my hair this way, like, you know. So let's roll it. Yeah. Wow, summer too. If you're feeling this hair, if you kind of like it, let me know in the comment below. Like, just to give me like an encouragement to keep on doing videos like this, or to kind of like get creative like this, since we're all gonna be home. Yeah, picture please. Thank you. Okay, so this is the second one. I'm also gonna leave the description below if you want. You can enter for this also. If you like this in particular, you could just mention the ones you like. And it is. I'm gonna select the winner randomly. The giveaways is coming to you. That's it. Okay. Then next one, the last one. This last one. So let's try it out. This is the most, it's fluffy. It's the most fluffy one, but also the most bulky. Bulky. Is there something like bulkiest? Okay, whatever. So this is the most, it's thicker but fluffy. So I'm gonna set it. Okay, and what I love most about this is this is losing up. I have to twist it to it. I'm gonna figure that out. So let's figure this out first. Oh boy. I'm gonna figure it out. So this is the second one I made. And I'm gonna show you the hair. Oh. What's going on right now? Okay, so this is the last one. The most fluffy one. I like it and I don't like it, and this is the reason why I don't like it. It's kind of cool. I love the fact that it's fluffy, but the fact that it's too, and this is like 5 packs. Yeah, this is like 5. I have to do 5 of this. Yeah, to get, maybe 5 is too much. Let me know in the comment below if 5 is too much, or what do you think? Okay, this is, I love this hair, but I don't like the fact that this is losing up. Maybe because I started, oh yeah, I remember my kids was playing with this. Yeah, it was, they were playing with this. So I have to twist it in. I will be finishing it up after the video. So yeah, those are the 3, and I've been trying it like forever. I've been putting it on every now and then. So that is that, and this is the hair for that. So enter the giveaway. So I'm gonna display like the giveaways now. Let me say the rules for the giveaways. So while I'm still on this one, picture please. So while I'm still wearing it this week, let me talk about the giveaway. The giveaway is massive giveaway. So if you're interested, comment below, like, subscribe, share, follow me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put all of this in the description. So I am gonna be announcing the winners in May, middle of May 15th. I will be giving that away. Share it, let others know that there's a giveaway of hair if you want to do your summer hair. And plus, I'm also doing some twisting with one of those hair. You want to click the notification and subscribe so that you can see how that comes out. So with the giveaways, I will keep announcing it on as time goes on. So enter the giveaway. And because why I'm doing this is also because I want to do the listing on Amazon to put my hair out. I mean, some of those inventory I want to send in, but hey, you never know, it could be yours. You want to do something to wear for someone, you want to do something like, I'm just gonna put that short video of the giveaway also out. So if you're interested, watch this playlist also, and then I will see you on the next upload. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. This is Mutiatia, and now see you on my next upload. See you next time.